Myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Basically we are discussing about one point basically, that is the currencies to currencies basically system basically. Here basically in this basically we have discussed lots of things basically. We have discussed up to that level basically, that world will end, assume that basically. Up to that level basically we have discussed. So in this basically this was also one parameter basically. That's why basically we discussed here. So now basically thing basically is, assume that basically the currency system basically told that basically we want the list of parameters basically which currency system is basically using. For example, he told that basically 0.0001 basically paisa basically data are also taken basically. Reason, because that 4 lakh people basically visa was rejected by the H1B visa. Due to that basically the Indian currency also got affected and the USA currency also basically got affected. So like this we want the list of all parameters basically which is affecting to the currency system basically. Then basically it was very easy basically, because there each and every system basically was already created. If it's not created, then basically how the currency with the amount is basically telling that basically the $1 basically equal to this much amount. There might be some parameters na basically. On the base of that parameter only basically plus minus happens na basically. That is not basically the literally basically they are happening like this only basically, and there is no system only basically. On last day basically the amount is few people says that basically that fluctuation basically which is happening in the currency market na basically, that is just literally basically they are just doing them random number and they are telling that this happened, that happened, that happened. At last basically the this is number only going to get. Then he told that basically that is not possible basically. Then he told that basically set of metrics has kept in the currency system basically, this all metrics. After that basically it's not possible na basically. Set of parameter basically are there in the system basically, parameters are there na basically. In the system basically the parameters are there. For example, 4 lakh people visa was rejected, so 0.1 paisa was calculated in the INR basically amount basically against the dollar system basically. 1 lakh people basically was taken, so there also basically some amount basically was calculated in the dollar against rupees system basically. So like this basically how many parameters are there? How many parameters are there basically in the currency system basically? So this basically question some businessmen basically asked that, and they basically told that basically we want this data basically because we want to calculate something basically related to our business basically. So he told that basically it's very difficult to give this type of data basically, because currency system basically are the government system basically, and this system basically has taken in India and in USA and India basically, between when the dollar system basically started, that from that time to till basically now 3 lakh incidents basically has done basically, and we can't disclose that incidents here basically. Otherwise basically you will say basically government or basically who are they? You will directly tell that. You will directly basically tell in the you will directly basically the businessman people will say that basically you are government or basically. So we basically can't give the basically the 3 lakh incidents basically which has happened in the each and every country basically. In India basically. We can't give the system basically. But then also basically they told that the businessman basically told that no, basically we want the system basically, we want to calculate the thing basically basically how basically the things are basically affect, and how basically we are investing this many money, we want the basically track basically basically. And when basically we are investing this many money, you are basically giving this much money to as a return basically. So we want each and every track basically. So for that's why basically we reached up to this basically, that is the currency data basically. That due to this currency basically our entire share market basically is affecting basically, and in share market basically we are basically just normal share company basically. We are having our shares basically, which are basically the company the public basically are purchasing, not company basically. They are just, that's why basically we want the some data basically so that basically we can check. Basically we are not telling that basically you are not a government, you are basically we like this basically directly we are not telling it. So one person told that basically government basically created the 3 lakh incidents basically, right? And few incidents basically was planned by the US government, because they told that basically we also want few control basically. For that basically please basically create this all incidents basically in India basically. So the businessmen basically who are connected with the Indian government, they told that basically okay, the things basically will happen basically, the incidents basically will happen on the base of this all parameters basically, the parameter which you have given basically. Then he told that the business Indian government, sorry, American government told that basically yeah, that's okay. And businessmen basically were connected with the Indian government, because without approval basically nothing is going to happen. Visa basically system is there. Without basically visa, you basically can go outside India basically. No, that is not possible. Visa basically is must basically. Without visa basically you can't go outside. So same way basically any system basically you approves basically with the other country basically. For that basically without government approval you can't do anything basically. You can't do anything basically. So like this basically he told that basically okay. Like this basically this many dollar basically they transferred. When the dollar basically transferred, literally basically bank given the information to the government that this many money basically has transferred to his account. So literally basically the government connected to that particular person, because government was connected actually. Government was connected to the US government. So literally they asked basically this many money you have transferred. Then he told that yes basically. So the purpose of basically which incidents basically you have to create. Then he told that basically yeah basically we have the team basically. On the base of team basically we will create the system basically. Then after a certain time basically the businessmen also thought that basically oh we are working with this government basically. So literally basically the 3 lakh incidents basically was created. So they told that basically sorry we can't give the list of data basically, and that 3 lakh basically data we can't give you. So like this basically things also happens basically. So this also basically things directly affects to the currencies basically. Reason, the incidents basically are got created, and then basically at the certain time basically the requirement basically comes by the American government or by the Indian government. The system basically gets activated. That is the incidents get activated, and according to that basically they know that basically which are the parameters are going to affect in this currency system. So literally they told that basically this many money basically is going to get less or basically plus minus. So see basically how the currency system basically are also working. So one person told that basically do we have this currency system over here? Then he told that 100%. That's why basically the how basically the 0.001 paisa basically is getting deducted. So we have the basically parameters basically, and for the parameter basically 3 lakh incidents basically has been created here by the government, by the Indian government and by the USA government basically. How basically the list basically might not be available? How basically the list of incidents basically might not be, how the list of parameters basically will not be available? One person told that basically this much money basically got less from the currency, from the US currency. This much money basically got less from the government currency. So he basically told that basically from USA government and from the American government basically this much money basically got less. So he told that basically do we have the list of parameters basically? Then he told that basically yeah basically we have the list of parameters, but that is basically in the system basically, that is the currency system basically. If you want basically then we can show you the few currency parameters basically, but we can't give the entire system list basically. That was told by one of the government authorized person basically who was sitting at the currency system basically. That basically from where basically this system basically might be handling, that's basically very difficult to say basically. So this is also basically a little bit about the currencies to currencies which is getting handled, and in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this only.